Okay, we're on to conjunctions and connectors, or congiunzioni e connettori. Okay, we are second from the top of our grammar pyramid, so we only have one more module after this. Okay, so this is exciting, and I think you're gonna like this module because it's really short and easy, and it's not too complicated, but it doesn't mean that it's not important. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the conjunctions and connectors, which are basically the words that connect the other parts of the sentences together. So it's like the glue that binds the rest of your sentences, the rest of your clauses together to form longer sentences. Okay, so let's jump in. Conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A conjunction, or una congiunzione, aka connecting, linking, or transition words, connects two or more words, phrases, or clauses. Okay, so the most common connecting words are and, or, but, that, and because. What are the basic conjunctions in Italian? So the basic and most common conjunctions in Italian are e, which means and, okay, which is the same word as is, but it does not have an accent. Okay, so when you see an accent, it means is in the third person singular, but without the accent, it means and. Okay, o or oppure means or. Okay, either one of those is fine. Ma or però means but. Okay, again, you can use either one. Che means that, and perché means because or why. Okay, it means both of them. For example, mi piacciono la pizza e la pasta. I like pizza and pasta. Okay, A. Preferisci vino rosso o vino bianco? Do you prefer red or white wine? Okay, so you can use o or oppure, either one. And lei vuole venire, ma deve lavorare. So she wants to come, but she has to work. Okay, I use ma, but I could also have used però.